Hello, welcome to Cook and Barbecue 24/7. Today I have a great recipe for you and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. Let's get cooking. Here we are. I have my large 7-quart Hamilton Beach slow cooker on high, getting this thing nice and hot. I have 2 pieces of smoked turkey that's going to season these peanuts very, very well. I'm about to put in 1 large onions and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Those onions and garlic is going to get these peanuts nice and seasoned and very, very tasty in the long haul. We're going to cook these peanuts for about 16 to 17 hours. And here I'm about to put the onions in. I'm also going to come back in with the garlic. As you can see, these onions are just diced up, rough cut, nothing fancy. They're going to cook so long, they're going to just disintegrate in all this good slow cooking action. Got the turkey in, the onions and the garlic. So we got our meat and onions and garlic in, and here I'm about to start adding the peanuts. Now, these peanuts been washed, no water at all, but here's the catch. These are the fresh green peanuts. I leave anywhere from a 1-inch gap from the top to 1.5 inch gap from the top. I'm going to get a better picture of that. So a 1 inch to 1.5 inch gap from the top. And you'll see here in a second, I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to use my white tip of my white spoon just to show you the difference. See right here? I call this the water gap, and you'll see why I do this. Here I have about 6 cups of boiling water in another pot, and here I'm adding my sea salt. Whatever flavor you put in this water is what is going to absorb in the peanuts and give your peanut flavor. This is Pitmaster Company. Wow, great seasoning, a lot of black pepper, onion, garlic, and some secret spices. Man, this is great on barbecue, and they're going to go good on these peanuts. Putting a lot of it, putting it heavy. Want these peanuts to absorb all this good flavor. And I'm going to stir this up. Also add some black pepper. I'm going to stir this up, give a taste test, and you want it, get it seasoned to your the way you like it, what's best for you. But you do want a little bit of salt because the peanuts is going to absorb this flavor along with the smoked turkey, along with the garlic that's in the crock pot, along with the onions. But this is a lot of liquid, and it's going to absorb up and get these peanuts nice and seasoned. Now, as you can see, remember that 1-inch gap that I showed earlier? I filled the water up to the top, and that makes everything rise. So that's telling me we have enough water at the bottom, so these peanuts won't stick, won't burn, or anything overnight. Started these peanuts around 6 o'clock p.m. on high, ran them on high until about midnight. Top off the water, added water to bring the peanuts up to top. Then I went to low all night. I think I set it for 8 hours on low. And here we are. This is the peanuts how we look before I went to bed that night. This is around midnight. This is the next morning. The peanuts time already went off, and now it's on low. And I gave it a good stir, topped it off with water. As you can see, they sunk down a little bit, but they still were not ready yet. So I gave it a good stir, added more water, put the lid back on. I'm up and about around the house now, so I went back to high. And this final shot is going to be the final picture of when they were done. And I'm going to stir in the turkey necks are falling off the bone. Here it is. It's coming. Here it is, everyone. It's about 16 hours in between overnight low, dinner time on high, overnight low, then that morning around breakfast time for a few hours on high. Look at those turkey necks. Look at those onions, the spices. Just a quick recap. Turkey, ton of onions, ton of garlic, black pepper. These are not spicy. This is my seasoned one for family and friends. Kids enjoy them. Everybody likes them. If you guys enjoyed these seasoned crock-pot peanuts, please give this video a thumbs up. And also consider subscribing to the channel for more barbecue and more crock-pot videos. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing to Cook and Barbecue 24/7.